How to find out which application is causing pop-up ads on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can find out which application is causing annoying ads on your device and how we can rid of them. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. First, go to your settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Now here, scroll through it and look for any application that you did not install on purpose. That can be games, wallpapers, or utility application which may load a lot of ads. So if you find any of them, you can uninstall from your device and that will help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, go back to your settings. Head towards the application. Once you're here, now go to the special app access. And here search for an option as display over other apps. So once you're here, look for any application that you don't want it. So from here, make sure that you turn off the permission for the display over other application. Once you remove from there, that may help you solve your problem. And you could also use the Google Play Protect. For that, you have to go to the Google Play Store. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, tap on Play Protect and here tap on Scan. After that, that will scan for any harmful application in your device. If it finds, then you have to remove them from your device and that will help you remove ad from your device, and now you can enjoy your phone ad free. That's it. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, give a video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.